we have a waffle cone. I love waffle cones. Actually, I like any dessert. A waffle cone has a diameter of 7 centimeters and a height of 14 centimeters. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and draw that. So here's my waffle cone. It has a diameter of 7, which means that this is going to be 3.5. Diameters aren't all that useful, except that they give us the radius, right? So there's 3.5, and then the height is 14 centimeters. So listen, guys, when we're talking about height, we're talking about that distance, right? Okay, so we've got 14 centimeters there. Now it's asking what area of waffle dough is needed to make the cone. Obviously, well, I guess it's the base here, but it's the opening of the cone. We do not need the total surface area because obviously I'm going to close off the cone. You can't even put any ice cream in there if you do that. So we only need the lateral surface area. The formula for lateral surface area is L equals pi r L. Well, that should be pretty easy, right? So we have pi, we have 3.5. Oh, bummer. We don't have L, which is the slant height. We need that to be this piece right here. Do you see that? Okay, but actually not so difficult because of what you know about the Pythagorean theorem. That yellow distance is the slant height. It's also the hypotenuse of that little triangle that we have sketched here because this is a right angle. So we can say 3.5 squared plus 14 squared is equal to L squared, which is representing the slant height. When you do all of those calculations, I'm hoping that you'll end up with something that's close to this. And as I told you 100 times before, you leave that value in your calculator so that there's no rounding until the end. So now we have 3.5 times the slant height, which we have successfully found. And when you multiply it all out, notice it says near a square centimeter. When you multiply all of this out, I'm thinking you should end up with approximately 159 centimeters squared. Not so hard, huh?